Party's over. Bye bar. Till next time. Anybody else have a bar that does that? Thank you. You've seen the bar unfold. This is what it's like from inside.
Everywhere that year, a #1 hit on the UK dance charts, Rapture, IO. And 20 years later, this is sampling that track or interpolating this track. Released in
Welcome to my bar, Nuestro Bar. Thank you for all your likes and followings, and to be honest, it's gone mental. But you can, when it's inside, you can get behind the bar.